Hello students. Today we are going to learn about adaptation. Adaptation, it is a feature present in an organism for better living with its environment. The presence of specific body features for certain habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. For example, we can take a chameleon. It changes body color according to the surface it is present. Then, tigers living in groups is an adaptation to increase the efficiency of hunting. So, now let us study about some animals' adaptation. It's very amazing, students. First of all, we are going to learn about adaptation seen in the fishes for their aquatic life. Fishes are having streamlined shape of body which helps to move through the water easily. It has a special organ called gills which enables the fish to absorb the oxygen dissolved in water. Fish take that dissolved oxygen with the help of its gills. Water enter its gills, so gills absorb the oxygen present in the water. Then another adaptation is slippery scales all over the body protect the body from water. For fast swimming, fish has fins. But the strong fin is tail fin. It is very useful during direction changing and also it keeps the body balanced in water. Next, we are going to learn about adaptation of frog. Frog is an amphibian, you know already. What is the meaning of amphibian? Amphibian means species live both in water and land. And frog is a pykothermic animal. Pykothermic animal means it can change its body temperature according to the situation. Frog larval stage. You see in this rainy season, the larval stage of a frog is called tadpole. In Tamil, Thalai Pirattai. This tadpole respires through gills like fish. But in adult stage, the frog respires through two organs. One is skin, another one is lungs. We are going to learn about the adaptation of lizard. Lizards, you see different shapes of lizards. Do you know the difference between a lizard and snake? Lizards are having legs, but in snake it is absent. Then lizards' eyelids are movable, but snakes' eyelids are not movable. Lizards are having external air openings, but snakes are not having that external air openings. Mostly lizards like warm climate. All lizards are quadrupedal. That is, the lizards are walking four legs. You see in chameleon. Walk in four legs, and also lizards in the wall, you see they walk in four legs. While running, some lizards using two legs. During the running time, the tail acts as a counterweight. That is, it balances its weight. Lizards are having strong four limbs. They are having the capacity to rotate their head around. They respire only through lungs. Lizards have teeth, which is adapted for grabbing and holding the prey. Some lizards have web in the toes. You see in our home palli, you see the toes. And also in ducks you see that. That is in between the fingers some jointed web is there. It is very useful for swimming in ducks, but in lizards, some flying lizards are there. In that lizards, they are flying from one tree to another like that in the forest. So it's used as a parachute in air for making soft landings and all. Now we are going to learn about adaptive features in birds. Birds are having streamlined body like fish, but here the body is covered with feathers. It gives minimum resistance to air, fly easily. It has a beak instead of mouth. Birds breathe through lungs like us. They have pair of wings. These wings are the modified form of forelimbs. They have hollow and light bones in order to decrease its weight. In the bones, air is filled, so it is easily float on air. So birds are having pair of cloud feet to hop, move, run, and also easily perch well on branches of tree. The tail of a bird helps to balance during the direction change. The special features present in bird is binocular vision. That is, each eye of a bird can see two different objects at a time. One eye watch one object and another eye watch another object. This is known as binocular vision. The next we are going to learn about sheep of desert. Sheep of desert is a camel. We are going to learn about the camel's adaptive features in a desert climate. Camels are having long leg which keeps its body away from the desert. Camels will drink large amount of water and store it in the body. Camels produce only small quantity of urine. The stored fat in the hump region of the camel can break down for nourishment during unfavorable conditions. That is, it doesn't having food means the hump will break down into nutritions. Camel has large and flat padded feet which helps in walking easily on sand. The long eyelashes and hairs present in camel's eyes protect it from sunstorm in the desert region. And also long hairs present in nostrils keep the nostrils to avoid dust. Okay students, today we learnt some adaptation in birds and animals. Let us see in next class. Thank you students.